Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change height and weight of player in episode 26. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is to just head over to the gear icon, which you can see at top left hand corner. Then we need to go to the option create player. By using the right stick, select the option edit created player. In case if you're wondering can you able to change the height and weight of real player, the answer is pretty straightforward. You will not able to change the height and weight. The only thing you can do is to change the height and weight of the players which you have already created in the past. So right now I want to change the height and weight of this player. I'll just select the player. Then by using the RB key or R1 key, we need to head over to the tab athletic. So here choose the box height and weight. If you want to increase the height of the player, for that you need to go up. If you want to decrease the height, for that you need to go down by using the left stick. If you want to increase the weight, for that you need to go to right. And if you want to decrease the weight, for that you need to go to left, like this. It's pretty simple. I want my player height to be around 6 feet. I'll move the left stick around here. Okay, and weight should be 190 lbs. So let's put it here. 191 will be great as well. So to save this, just hit A or cross on your PlayStation and just get back from this. Select yes, and yeah, you can see that way we can easily change the height and weight of the players in episode 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.